24, 24, 25. So the boys finally got their honeycomb blinds up after 5 years. And it's the same one that the daughter got. It's called cordless pleated shade. And it was put on by record time compared to yesterday. Because what I had was this item here. I just pre-drilled it, and then I put my screws next, and then when I say pre-drilled it, I use something like this with something like that, the smallest bit. You can buy something like this at Harbor Freight for like $4 or something, I imagine. And so the smallest one was 5/32, and then pretty much just used a pencil that got dropped already, something like that. Put the piece of metal bracket on there, 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then this thing had a ring alarm, like a magnet behind there, so I had to scoot that one out a little bit, and then drilled 6 holes, and then used one of these, and then drove it in. And then the last thing is, when you snap this thing in, make sure you leave a little bit of gap there and a little bit of gap there, because if you push it all to one side, you're gonna have to push it one way and it gets a little bit messy. So, and then before that, make sure you measure across and take your smallest measurements. They usually go by 1/2 inch is the increments. And then while you're up there, you can put this one on, clip, and then you're all done. Check it out. Nice and smooth. I guess another thing I could have did is I could have shot some WD-40 silicone in here and make it like go up and nice and smooth, but over the years it'll just dry out. I think these things are like $60 or something, so it's not like $150 version, so we can afford to not put the silicone on, I guess. And then you do notice that it doesn't go flush all the way down. Who knows if the window is not straight, but when you go like that, then you get a little bit more to get the light out. The other thing is, if you turn off the lights, there's still sunlight coming in. So if you want like complete darkness, then get yourself some curtains that are dark, and that will do the job. But these looks more I guess sharp, you can say the word. Now if you want to use curtains, the curtains will get it really sharp, dark. So these are the curtains. The version I got, if you pulled it too hard, the bracket will come down. But if you're really into sleeping, the curtains are way, what's the word we called, opaque. And that's that. Comes with a box like that. Finally, 5 years, the boys' room has curtains or something similar.